good。OK。
就係咁啦，再講。但我哋嗰個打交咧就唔係嗰啲。
唔知道大家知唔知啦？因為咧 Lisa 同我宣戰話要同我打 boxing 嘅比賽，所以我哋會喺12月咧進行一個打交比賽啦。所以我哋咧嚟緊呢12個禮拜咧就會進行一個 intensive training， 所以我就 pick up 咗 boxing 呢樣嘢，一個我未接觸嘅嘢，同埋我真係唔係一個好 sporty 嘅人，但係為咗呢個比賽，我已經好努力咁樣去 train 噶啦，加油！
我今日係上第4堂，而家要跳繩先，要做好多 cardio 先可以夠氣咯。師傅，你咪同我一齊跳㗎？你覺得我 O 唔 OK 啊
？OK 啊，冇事。
你有冇教過一啲差過我嘅人啊？
差每個都有。
都有嘅。
都有。
Good。Thank you，謝月餅。早起身嘅感覺真係好，逢星期1、3、5就打拳，有時過咗海咧就可以嚟揾 Minnie 咯，咁就唔使喺條街度戇交交咁樣，好向往呢個生活，感受下呢啲陽光，搭下呢個 elevator 都幾好㗎。我唔知你聽唔聽到啊嘛。
Oh my god! Vlogception! I was just like, hello!
去埋 Minnie 屋企 take shower 添啊！
係，我而家會佢沖下，我入去。嗨，叫使唔使幫你沖啊？
好爽咯！其實朝頭早做運動，actually love it。
I like it so much more than 夜晚。
因為依家係好醒神啊，起身嗰下好辛苦。
你個人唔係唔會太 full，唔會太 full。唔係啦，我認同咯，即係朝頭早做運動係差勁遠。
即係我而家個 energy level 係真係好精神啊！而家覺得佢
同埋你真係
心情好好咯，
同埋你做咗勁多嘢啦。但係
跟住依家先係朝頭早 ，I know。Work
together。
睇下我今日真係有帶電腦嚟，就可以剪片啦。喺 Minnie 屋企，健康快活人，最近打晒拳又早起身咁樣，開始注重咗多啲健康啦。尤其是上次咧 Proven 揾咗我做嘢，介紹佢哋嗰隻益生菌之後咧，今次佢又揾我同大家 share 佢呢一個 Proven Probiotics for Women 女性專用益生菌加蔓越莓，可能會講啲女仔會比較 personal 啲嘅問題啦，但係我覺得男女都可以睇嘅。男仔你都可以知道，其實做女仔都好辛苦，有好多煩惱㗎。我相信好多女仔都試過念珠菌，可以手尾好長，嗰種感覺係好唔舒服啦，跟住成日有 discharge 同埋好痕。總之你一有開咧，你就好容易翻發。
我想講，你知唔知我有一段時間都有念珠菌嘅問題？
我念咗勁耐，
我係覺得
跟住我成日坐嘅時候要即係好唔舒服，但係又唔想俾人知道我下面咁樣，好 embarrassing。
痕嘅時候，你會喺條街度，即係你會咁樣，跟住你又唔可以，跟住你。
跟住又要 rub 下 rub 下。
我都有食過呢一個 cranberry 嘅 Proven 呢個 probiotics， 睇我有念珠菌嘅時候。
咁其實呢個女性 formula 嘅益生菌咧，就係專係針對呢個念珠菌。同埋我覺得香港地咧係好容易，因為啲天氣潮濕，焗住好熱，又容易出汗啊。跟住仲有尿道炎咯，嗰個我聽朋友講係好辛苦，成日想去廁所，啲尿屙唔晒出嚟，會屙尿又痛。佢用咗 lab 科嘅益生菌配方，佢入面嘅益生菌咧，除咗可以幫助女性嘅私處之外咧，其實對腸道都好有幫助。咁如果你嗰一排下面真係有啲唔舒服啊，有啲痕咧，你就可以每日食2粒，食完嘅第一日即刻會 feel 到舒緩咗好多。譬如我而家冇事嘅咧，正常我就一日食1粒啦，當係 supplement 咁樣。因為 cranberry 咧對女仔好好嘅，平時嚟 M 之前谷 M 好辛苦咧，你食呢個都會有幫助。好明顯咧，就係谷 M 就改善咗好多啦。因為我今次咧嚟 M 竟然冇爆瘡，同埋啲 cramp 少咗，個肚冇咁唔舒服啦。overall 個情緒穩定咗。你食完呢個咧係會覺得谷 M 都冇咁辛苦啊，每個月。
我等你講完我先。
一日食1粒， 就係咁簡單，愛護你嘅子宮，令到佢唔好再翻發，令到佢長期健康，就唔使成日痕，成日好尷尬，出到去又要磨下咁樣，真係好辛苦噶嘛。
呢隻女性專用益生菌可以喺萬寧度買到，記住喎，係冇事嘅時候都可以食，可以預防，因為佢會平衡翻你呢度個 pH 值。仲有記住我個 discount code 10% off pumpkin Jenn。呢啲 supplement 其實日日都要食噶啦，所以一定要趁減價同埋有 code 就可以慳錢，趁機入貨。Thank you.
Self-awareness. Heal yourself, but don't rush. Stay informed, but don't overwhelm yourself. Embrace change, but keep pursuing your goals. Remember that simply being aware that you are repeating the past is a sign of progress. Self-awareness comes before the leap forward in your personal transformation. It is not easy. Healing yourself, building new habits, observing reality without projection. This is work that takes effort, but if you persist, maturity is knowing that when your mood is down, you should not trust the way you see yourself. Throw away the idea that healing is forgetting. The real result is no longer reacting to old triggers with the same intensity. Internal changes have a significant external impact. You can change your location, meet new people, and still have the same old problems. To truly change your life, you need to look inward. Get to know and love yourself. Do what is right for you. Do it over and over again. Lean into the light. Keep going even when it is hard, especially when it is hard. Do not let doubt stop you. Trust the process when your mood is low. Let growth be your mission. Let healing be your reward. Let freedom be your goal.
OK，sorry，啱啱收到一個 follower 嘅 DM， 我 cap 圖俾大家睇先。其實我最近咧都真係收到好多好 supportive 嘅 DMs， 所以好多謝大家嘅關心。咁我終於忙完一大輪咧，有時間坐低同大家 update 嘅狀況，因為我知道大家真係好關心我，所以你真係 deserve 一個 update。係啊，最近發生好多事啦，因為我啱啱搬完屋啦，咁啊，我覺得一個人就唔使住咁大個地方啦，同埋前排又病咗。就係想同大家講咧，我同 Tyrese 已經唔係再一齊啦。呢段時間咧，我都好多謝大家俾好多空間同埋時間俾我，咁我都有 take 個 time 去消化自己嘅情緒，同埋去平靜翻個人，開始有一個新嘅環境，跟住會慢慢適應翻。我都好期待我自己可以重拾翻自己，努力啲工作 ，slowly put things together。但係其實我幾 enjoy 個 healing process 嘅，同埋。我今年28歲，我幾 proud of 我自己，同埋某程度上幾驚訝咧，就係呢個 stage 嘅我咧，喺心態上啦，同埋處理事情上又係比我以前20零歲嘅時候真係成熟咗好多。同埋呢段時間，我係真係有好多嘅反思同埋檢討，同埋真係唔經歷呢一次咧，我可能又係未發掘到自己有呢啲嘅問題。如果要分享我嘅睇法同埋我學咗啲咩呢？我可以有好多嘢要同大家分享。即係我覺得一拍拖呢，你就係會將自己個精神心機咧會分咗喺對方度。咁我覺得呢段時間好好嘅就係可以再 update 一個新嘅 iOS， 為自己揾翻自己有啲乜嘢做得唔夠好嘅嘢，再改一改佢，擺翻自己喺第一位，變得更加好咯。主要係一啲 self development 同埋一啲價值觀上、啲睇法上嘅嘢咯。係咯，我真係好多謝大家俾空間同埋時間俾我，咁我會 keep 住之後有機會再同大家分享啦。再一次多謝大家啲 messages， 真係我最 appreciate 嘅係好多人唔係就咁問我發生咩事，係真係表示明白，表示I know you are going through a lot， 但係我哋支持你嘅，咁咧我覺得就已經夠啦，好開心啦，所以好多謝大家。咁 I'm actually really excited about my new place and new chapter in life。